Hey ladies and gentlemen, you are most welcome once again. In this video we are going to learn how we can use data in a table to insert a chart and do different chart layouts in Microsoft Excel. So below is a sample of my data. So I'm going to pick some of the columns in this data set. After that, I will use it to insert a chart and then apply different layouts on it. So I will pick the column for the names. I will also pick the column for annual salary, and then I'll go ahead and insert the chart against that one. So I will select the column names. I'll go ahead and select the column for annual salary. After that, I go ahead and insert the chart from the Insert tab in the ribbon. Select one of the charts, and after that, the chart will be selected. Right click on the chart, cut the chart, open a new sheet, and paste the chart. Once that one is done, expand the chart so it is visible. Now I have the chart inserted. Now I can now do different chart layouts. First of all, by adding a title, because any chart, any graph in Microsoft Excel should have or must have a title. So in this case, I will say list of employees with their annual pay. That is going to be my title for the chart. What about if I want to put the y-axis and x-axis? So if I want to do so, I'll go ahead and select chart design, go to the chart elements and click on chart element, select the axis title, and in that, first select the primary horizontal. This allows you to put the x-axis. On that, go ahead in the formula bar and type the x-axis. So here is going to be names of employees. Enter to effect that in the horizontal axis. Once that one is done, I want to add the y-axis. So go again on the chart element, select the x-axis title, and now choose the primary vertical. Once that one is done, go to the formula bar and type the payment of employees. Press enter to effect that in the vertical axis. So now once that one is done, you can now see that I've given my chart the title, the y-axis and x-axis. So what is remaining is that I can now go ahead and change the layout of the chart in any of the way you want. Depending on your choice, you can add any kind of layout. You can also go ahead and change the color of the chart. After that, you can see different chart style, and then the next thing is how to switch or how to deal with switching rows and column and selecting different data, then changing the chart type, and then moving the chart to another location. And that one is going to be in the next video. For now, I want to stop here so that we can prepare how to start a new video. But what I request you is to get this example, go and practice it with your own data values, and then see how you can apply it in your field. Thank you. Let's catch up in the next video.